Alright, hey gang, Jerry here, and today's going to be another update video on our Corvette project that we've been working on. And if you've been following around in the series, you can see that we have a 1988 red Corvette that we've been doing a lot of modifications and different upgrades. I had to fix the transmission and so on and so forth. I ended up picking that vehicle up for $3,800. It's been a fun vehicle to work on. Took it to the track, had a great time at the track, did low 14-second quarter miles, which was awesome. But we ended up selling that car. We ended up selling that car for $700-800. I made a $4,000 profit on that car, minus the parts that I had put into it. It's been a really fun car to work on, but now we have this. This is our 91 C4 Corvette, and this is going to be our new project car in our Corvette series. To give a little bit of background on this car, I ended up buying this car for $2,000. It had the factory wheels and tires on it. You can see here that I swapped the wheels and tires from our red Corvette project car to this one, and I'll show you some pictures right now of what the red Corvette looked like when we sold it. It looked really good. Customer that bought the car was very happy. It was an awesome car to work on, and awesome running car. Had 169,000 miles on it when we sold it. Sold it again for $700-800. Now this Corvette we picked up for $2,000. Had a very similar issue to the red Corvette. The red Corvette, the transmission needed to be rebuilt, and along with this one, the transmission had lost third and fourth gear. So I've already rebuilt the transmission on this car. So the transmission is all set. But there are other things that we have to do on this car. We have to do the weather stripping. The weather stripping is in really bad shape. Power seat track on the driver's side. I'm going to go through that and do hopefully a fix video on how to fix the power seat track. It does have some clear coat issues in the paint, so hopefully we'll do some additional videos on fixing the clear coat and some other upgrades plan on doing with this car. It's black on black. Again, it's a 91 C4 Corvette. This car has 130,000 miles on it, right at 130,000. And again, I picked it up for $2,000. So I'm very happy with this car so far. Again, like I said, I already had to fix the transmission. The transmission's all set and taken care of, and been driving it around lately, enjoying it. And now it's time to start doing some upgrades on it. So yeah, looking forward to working on this one. Hopefully it'll be as fun as a project as the last one was. So that's going to be it for this one, gang. I hope you like this video, and I hope you stick around to see what we do on this one. So it's going to be it for this one. If you like the video, make sure you give it a massive thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel so you can see future videos on our Corvette series. All right, gang, that's it. So remember, if you put your mind to it, you can do anything. All right, gang, take care and see ya.